In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira as a product manager to track feature requests. We'll walk through a simple setup that helps you collect requests consistently, review them efficiently, and keep progress visible from intake all the way to delivery. The goal here is not to overcomplicate Jira, but to build a clean system you can actually use every day. Start by creating a dedicated project or board just for feature requests. After you log into Jira, go to Projects and select Create Project. Choose a Kanban project, since Kanban works especially well for a steady stream of incoming requests, rather than fixed scope sprint planning. Give the project a clear name, something like Feature Requests or Product Intake, so everyone understands its purpose right away. Next, set up the issue types you'll use to organize requests. Go into Project Settings, then Issues, and make sure you have the right issue types available. At minimum, confirm Feature Request, Epic, and Story. Feature Request is useful for the initial submission, Epic works well for larger initiatives, and Story helps capture more detailed user needs once a request becomes more defined. After that, create a simple intake workflow. In Project Settings, open Workflows and use a straightforward flow such as New, Triage, Reviewed, Planned, In Progress, and Done. This gives you a clear path for every request and helps prevent ideas from jumping straight into development before they've been properly evaluated. Once your workflow is ready, begin collecting feature requests in a consistent format. Click Create Issue and use a standard template each time. Include a clear summary with the feature name, then use the description to explain the problem and the proposed solution. Also capture business value, user impact, and priority if it's already known. Standardized submissions make reviews much faster and reduce confusion later. To keep requests organized, open each feature request and add labels and components. Labels can help identify themes such as customer request, mobile, or UI. Components can represent product areas or technical ownership such as front-end, back-end, or payments. This becomes extremely helpful when you need to filter, report, or spot patterns across many requests. From there, triage incoming requests regularly on your Kanban board. Review new items daily or weekly depending on volume. During triage, decide whether to keep the request, merge it with an existing one, reject it and explain why in the comments, or move it to the backlog for future consideration. When it's time to prioritize, go to the backlog and drag issues into rank order. You can prioritize using impact versus effort, customer demand, and strategic value. Finally, track progress using Jira's different views: the backlog for planning, the Kanban board for workflow tracking, the roadmap if available for timeline visibility, and dashboards for a quick status overview. This setup gives you a practical, repeatable way to manage feature requests with clarity.